All right, these are the answers to compound inequality day 1. We're just trying to get used to what these represent. Tomorrow we'll do a little bit more in solving them. But for this first one, when we see this, it just means that x can be anything in between -5 and 11. So we're going to go -5, 11, put circles on there for our endpoints, and it can be anything in between. So we highlight all the numbers that are in between. And then we take a look, and it says that it could equal -5. So we'll fill in the circle that's on -5, not equal to 11, so we'll leave that open. And that's all that we do there. That's just telling people that anything in between those numbers is what x could be. All right. Over here, this is saying that x can be anything between 10 and 57. So I write 10 and 57, circle them, and we highlight the stuff that's in between. All right. Not equal to 10, so I leave that open. Equal to 57, so I fill that in. And so that's when I see that expression, that means that we could be in between. No big deal. For these, we're saying that x can be one thing or another. So if I start looking here, x could be less than -4. Put down -4, circle there. Numbers less than -4 would be -5, -6, -7, things to this side here. So anything here, all of these numbers could be a one possibility, or anything greater than or equal to 13. So that's numbers 14, 15, 16, this way. And since it could be equal to, I fill that in. So in other words, this is representing anything but the numbers in between. So on this hand, these are the numbers in between, and these are everything but that. Same thing here. I can have any number less than or equal to -40. So I put down -40, fill that in, go less than, which is this way. Or I can be anything greater than -11. So fill that circle, and I go this way here. And so again, it's when we see that, it means anything but the numbers in between. All right? So when we come to here, now we want to write an inequality. So this is representing anything that is between -3 and 12. So I put my variable actually between -3 and 12. And -3 is less than 12, so I'm going to fill in with less than signs here. We could equal -3, so we're going to put a line there, make sure we show equal, not equal to 12, so we'll leave that one open. Over here, we're saying that x can be anything less than or equal to 6. So I'm going to write that. X is less than or equal to 6. That represents this one. Or x could be anything greater than 35. Hopefully that felt pretty simple. Tomorrow we solve them and shouldn't be too bad.